After starting boards and foundation software, you will reach on this window. To generate question paper, just click on question bank. Now first you have to select the class for which class you are generating the paper. You can see we have 6th to 10th foundation classes and 11th and 12th CBSE board based questions. For 6th foundation, you can see all 4 subjects available: maths, physics, chemistry and biology. All 4 subjects available. I am selecting physics. Now select the question level. Now select the chapter. I am selecting temperature and its measurement. Now select the question type. In question type, we have subjective type, single correct MCQ, fill in the blanks, true false, matching questions, assertion and reason, numerical problems, more than one correct, comprehension or case study questions. You can see all these questions you can generate, but mainly you will use the subjective type and single correct MCQ. Select the subjective type. Now select the topic. You can see in topic we have 1 mark, 3 mark and 5 mark wise questions available. You can generate separate mark wise question and you can generate all of them. Total 66 questions are available in temperature and its measurement, 6 foundation in physics. Now click on any questions. You can see the question in the upper window and its solution in the lower window, and you can see this questions topic here. You can see this is 3 mark question. I am selecting 3 questions from subjective type. After selecting the questions, now click on add to paper. You can see 3 questions are added here. This is the add to paper section, and you can see after selecting the questions, it gets pink in the software so that you will not repeat any questions next time, and you can repeat the questions n number of times. Now currently I can't edit it, so what to do? Just click on clear, then you are able to edit this. And you can see for single correct MCQ, total 112 questions are available. You can see the questions. I'm selecting some questions. Now click on add to paper. For fill in the blanks, total 18 questions are available. Selecting 3 questions. Now click on add to paper. Now true false, 24 questions available. Selecting 3. For matching questions, total 3 questions are available. For assertion reason, total 19 questions are available. Selecting 3 questions. For numerical problems, total 7 questions are available. Selecting some questions. For more than one correct, total 3 questions are available. For comprehension, 2 questions are available. You can see. For case study, total 6 questions are available. Now you can see we have 29 questions added in total. You can see, suppose if you want to mix the chapter or mix it from different subject, you can do that by just click on clear. Select the another chapter in which you want to mix. I'm selecting electricity and circuit. You can see total 45 questions are available, subjective type. You can see I'm selecting some questions from this also, and from single correct MCQ, total 65 questions are available. You can see I'm selecting some questions. Like this, you can mix the different chapters or different subjects in one paper. Now in right side, when you click on show summary, you will see everything about the selected questions. You can see how many chapters you have selected and how many questions you have added and from which question type and from which subject. You can see this is the subject portion. We have selected the questions from 2 different chapters in same subjects, that is physics, and we have selected 3 questions from subjective type, 3 questions from single correct, 3 from fill in the blanks, true false, and like this. You can see the details. It is useful when there are different chapters, like 4 to 6 chapters in one paper. To generate question paper, just click on generate question paper. Now here you have to select the template, and you can also add your own institute template or coaching template, and the paper will be generated on your logo and watermark on it. And we have a start numbering feature also, in which whatever number you will enter, the paper will be started from that number only. Currently I am selecting 3, so it will generate from number 3 question. Now click on select template to start generating the paper. Place wait is coming, that means our paper is generating in the background. You can see this is the paper generating. You can see our paper is generated. We have entered number 3, so it have started from number 3. You can see this is totally editable Word document file. You can see These are the types of questions we have added. These are the assertion reason, and this is the MCQ based questions you can see. And if you want, you can change the layout in 1 column or 2 column as per the requirement. Currently it is in 1 column, so I'm changing it into 2 column. You can see this is the 2 column paper, you can see. And you can also increase the font size also, like this. So this is the question paper and this is the solution file, you can see. Now let's go for different foundation class. Let's go for 7th foundation class. You can see in 7th foundation we have biology, chemistry, mathematics, mental ability, physics and social science subjects available. You can see I'm going for chemistry, 7th chemistry chapters. I'm going for acid, base and salt. You can see in single correct MCQ total 141 questions are available. You can see some questions for subjective type. You can see total 126 questions are available. These are the questions. Let's go for 8th foundation. You can see biology, chemistry, mental ability, maths, physics and social science are available in 8th foundation. Let's go for maths. These are the chapters. Selecting cubes and cube roots in subjective type. You can see total 71 questions are available. These are the questions. For single correct MCQ, total 70 questions are available. Now let's go for 9th foundation. You can see chemistry, mathematics, biology, physics, mental ability and social science are available. Let's go for biology. Let's go for tissues. You can see 1 mark, 2 mark, 3 mark, 4 mark, 5 mark wise questions are all available. You can select as per the requirements. Now click on retrieve questions. You can see total 103 questions are available in single correct MCQ. You can see some questions. For subjective type, you can see total 132 questions are available. You can see some questions. Let's go for 10th foundation. Maths, physics, chemistry, biology, mental ability, social science. All these subjects are available. Let's go for physics. You can see these are the physics chapters of 10th foundation. Let's go for electricity. For subjective type question, you can see total 264 questions are available. These are the questions. For single correct MCQ, total 111 questions are available. You can see. Let's go for 11th board CBSE. You can see all 4 subjects available: chemistry, physics, mathematics and biology. You can see, let's go for chemistry. I'm selecting chemical bonding and molecular structure. We have same 1 mark, 2 mark, 3 mark and 5 mark wise questions. For single correct MCQ, total 333 questions are available. You can see some questions. For subjective type, total 388 questions are available. Let's check another subject. Let's go for physics. Let's go for laws of motion. There are total 530 questions are available. For physics, laws of motion, 11th CBSE board question chapter. You can see some questions. Now let's go for 12th board CBSE. 4 subjects available: mathematics, physics, chemistry and biology. Let's go for mathematics. Let's go for algebra of vectors. In subjective type, you can see total 239 questions are available. You can see. For single correct, 289 questions are available. You can see. And in this, now currently we are also adding the NDA class questions in the software. You can see we have subjects history, geography, political science and English, and we are in the process of add remaining subjects and chapters. You can see for history, this is the history chapter, the Indus Valley Civilization. I'm selecting all. For single correct MCQ, total 182 questions are available. You can see some questions. Let's go for geography. This is the geography chapters. You can see topic wise questions available in the software. You can see in single correct MCQ, total 55 questions are available. You can see. For political science, these are the chapters. Let's go for citizenship. Total 10 questions are available. Let's go for English, synonyms, and we have option of NDA previous year questions also in the software. You can see total 169 questions are available in the synonyms chapter of English NDA class. So this is the updated Gyanam boards and foundation software. You can generate the paper as per the requirement.